Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hina and welcome back to my channel to my new video. In this video today I am going to tell you how you can create a report in MS Access. In my previous two videos I have already told you all that how you can enter data in MS Access and how you can create a form. So today I'm going to tell you how you can create a report, but before that there are only 5 records, so we are going to add 2-3 records more so that we have more context to see in our report. So next name can be Sara, city Lahore, and email address sara@gmail.com. Number randomly you can add. Picture we don't want to add because we don't have. Then next is David, address Karachi, email address gmail.com, contact number. So over here there are total 7 records, and in the form we can see that we have all those 7. No, not yet. We are going to refresh it so that we can see all the 7. Yes. Now we want to create a report. So simply we are going to go in the create option, in the create tab. First we went for the form options, now we are going to look for the report options. Over here you can have the default report as well, in which already the design has been made, but we are going to click on the blank report. A page will appear like this in front of us so that we can prepare by ourselves. So first we need the ID, then the name, then address and contact details. We can add even photos as well. So the form will appear like this, and at the top where view is there we are going to click and we are going to report view. So you can see the report is in front of us, the ID, name, address and contact and photo. And if you want to make these boxes bigger or smaller, so you can do that as well. So you can see that I am making the columns bigger. Like this. Then you have to save it with Control S, then report view. So see, now you can see the spacing in between these. So this is the small and easiest way how you can create a report. Hope that you like this video. Please do let me know in the comment section whether you were able to add the data in MS Access, you were able to make form, and you were able to prepare a report. Please do let me know in the comments. Meet you in the next video.